Hi and welcome to Lansweeper scanning tutorials. Lansweeper's unique scanning algorithm automatically discovers IT networks of all sizes using a wide range of network protocols. In this video, we will focus on the discovery of Linux and Unix computers. Scanned Linux data includes operating system, model, memory, processor, disk partition information, network interfaces, installed software, and more. In order for Lansweeper to scan a Linux or Unix computer, you need to set up a user with sudo rights. SSH must be enabled on the Linux computer to get the most detailed information. In the Lansweeper Web Console, go to the Scanning Targets section and hit the Add Scanning Target button to submit your Linux computer's IP range. Next, under Scanning Credentials, submit your SSH username and password or use a SSH certificate key. You can rest assured that these username and password combinations are always encrypted and stored locally. Finally, you just need to map these credentials to the IP range you previously created. Once everything is set up correctly, Lansweeper is ready to scan your Linux and Unix computers, and detailed information is just a click away.